Dr. Infrared Heater Quartz Infrared Portable Space Heater. With advanced dual heating system. It is combining PTC and Quartz infrared element, keeps you warm this winter while saving on heating bills. Equipped with a dual heating system and high-velocity low-noise blower, the Dr. Infrared Heater increases the heat distribution and transfer rate, and the result is heating your room to a comfortable temperature, fast. The Dr. Infrared Heater is certified by Underwriters Laboratories, UL, USA and Canada, ensuring the highest safety standard. The Dr. Infrared Heater is perfectly safe around children and pets and only gets warm to the touch. It does not have exposed heating elements that can cause a fire. The Dr. Infrared Heater comes with energy-saving auto mode, high and low setting. When the mode is set to auto, the unit will cycle on and off. And switch between high or low setting to maintain the desired temperature setting. All Dr. Infrared Heaters are engineered and designed in the USA. Dr. Heater uses infrared heating, which heats objects in the room, instantly making you feel comfortably warm. Other heaters simply heat the air in the room. The problem is hot air rises to the ceiling, creating drafts that leave you feeling hot in one moment and cold in the next. It's technology that helps the room retain air moisture. Dr. Heater won't dry out your skin like those convection heaters that blast out hot air, stripping the room of moisture. And the best part? It will save you money. Use Dr. Heater instead of your regular heating system, and you could save up to 50% on your next electricity bill. Plus, with its tip-over protection and auto shut-off overheat protection, you can sleep soundly knowing you've got a heater that's superior in safety. Dual heating system provides maximum comfort and fastest heat transfer rate. Dr. Heater is the first to feature a dual heating system for maximum heat transfer rate. It combines the energy efficiency of infrared heat with the comfort of convection heat your room. Dr. Infrared Heater has 3 power settings: auto, low 1000 watt and high 1500 watt. The auto energy saving mode allows you to set your desired temperature from 50 to 86 Fahrenheit. It smartly selects between the 2 settings depending on your room temperature. The thermostat regulates the heater and causes it to cycle on and off to maintain the set temperature. Love this heater. It works instantly, no warm-up or anything. To purchase Drive Infrared Space Heater, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads in the future, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.